For centuries, the human race has looked toward the polar skies in awe. We saw the Aurora Borealis as a celestial masterpiece, a curtain of green and violet fire dancing in the vacuum. But as our technology advanced, we noticed something unsettling. Hidden within those shimmering curtains were jagged, pitch-black gaps. Voids where the light didn't just fade, it vanished. For decades, these were known as black auroras, the ghosts of the ionosphere. We knew they existed, but we didn't know why. Until February 2026. On the 9th of February 2026, the silence of the Alaskan wilderness was shattered. From the Poker Flat Research Range, two Black Brant 9 sounding rockets roared into the sky. This was the badass mission, the Black and Diffuse Aurora Science Surveyor, led by NASA's Dr. Marilia Samara. This wasn't just another launch. These rockets were carrying highly sensitive instrumentation designed to do something no human eye could see, in darkness. They weren't looking at the light. They were hunting the void. To understand the mystery, we have to understand how a normal aurora works. Usually, high-energy electrons from the sun are caught by Earth's magnetic field. They spiral down toward our atmosphere, smashing into gas molecules and releasing energy as light. It's a downward flow, a waterfall of electricity. But as the badass rockets pierced the ionosphere, the sensors detected something that defies common logic. Inside the black aurora, the physics reverses. Imagine a drain in a bathtub. Instead of water flowing into the drain, imagine the water being violently sucked upward back into the faucet. That is what the Bardas mission discovered. In these dark patches, an anti-aurora electric field is formed. Instead of electrons falling toward Earth, they are being snatched up and accelerated at incredible speeds back into deep space. The black aurora isn't a lack of activity. It is a violent, invisible upward storm that unlights the sky. You might wonder why a dark patch in the Alaskan sky matters to a technician in a refinery or a student in a classroom. In 2026, our entire civilization is plugged into the ionosphere. Every GPS coordinate, every satellite signal, and every long-range communication pulse must travel through this layer of the atmosphere. The black aurora represents a massive energy leak, a glitch in our planet's natural shielding. Understanding these voids is the key to protecting our global power grids and communication networks from unpredictable space weather. Block 6, the tech behind the hunt. The mission used twin rockets to get a 3D view of the electrical fields. By measuring the particles at two different altitudes simultaneously, scientists could finally map the shape of the darkness. It revealed a complex web of magnetic vortices, swirling tunnels of invisible energy that act like vacuum cleaners, electrons. This is instrumentation at its peak, using machines to measure things that the human brain can barely comprehend. As the badass rockets fell back to Earth, they left behind a treasure trove of data that will take years to fully decode. The February 2026 discovery has reminded us that for all our progress, the universe still keeps its best secrets in the shadows. The Northern Lights are no longer just a beautiful display, they are a laboratory for the most extreme physics in our solar system. The mystery of the black aurora isn't solved, it has simply entered a new chapter. The more we look into the dark, the more we realize. The dark is where the real story begins. This is Space Frequency. Keep looking up.